Hello friends, this video is related to the Roman numerals. Have you ever seen a clock of this type? I think everybody has seen. So you can see in place of numerals 1 to 12, symbols like I, 2 times I, 3 times I, IV are shown here. These symbols are called Roman numerals. And beta, you also remember the nameplate. The nameplate of your classroom is also written in the Roman numerals. Okay, so now observe these Hindu Arabic numerals and their corresponding Roman numerals. So Hindu Arabic numerals, Roman numerals. So I have written some symbols. Okay, over here and here I have written numerals. So you can see the I stand for 1, V stands for 5, X stands for 10, L stands for 50, C stands for 100, D stands for 500, M stands for 1000. So these are the main symbols. Okay, these are the main symbols which are going to be represent Hindu Arabic Roman numerals. So these are main Roman numerals which are going to represent Hindu Arabic numerals. But the thing is this, how to learn it. Sometimes we learn it, but the persons are getting confused. Which symbol is going to represent for 10, which symbol is going to represent 500. So I will give you a shortcut method or an easy way to learn the Roman numerals that will help you to remember or memorize the symbols. Okay? Easy way to learn Roman numerals. So you can see I have written a Roman numeral here. Okay, that represent to the Hindu Arabic numeral. So I have taken some, these are main important Roman numeral that you have to be learned. Without learning these main important Roman numerals, you are not able to solve the questions related to the Roman numerals. So as you know, M stands for 1000, D stands for 500, C stands for 100, L stands for 50, X stands for 10, V stands for 5 and I stands for 1. The problem is this, that sometimes we are not able to memorize कि C is used for which Hindu Arabic numeral. So for that I have written a simple abbreviation to remember this. My dear Chiku loves extra vanilla ice cream. So this is a very easy statement that I think everybody can learn and memorize. So my, so first letter is M. So you can remember the M stands for 1000. Dear, first letter is D. So D stands for 500. Chiku, first letter is C. So C stands for 100. Loves, first letter is L. L stands for 50. Extra, first letter is X. So X stands for 10. Vanilla, first letter is V. So V stands for I. Ice cream, first letter is I stands for 1. So when you learn this statement, when you learn this abbreviation, so I think you can memorize or you can remember the symbols which are going to represent the Hindu Arabic numerals. So let's try this abbreviation. You can learn and memorize the Roman numeral which are backbone to solve the questions related to the Roman numeral.